Hey guys, welcome to my channel Phone Tech. Today let's compare Redmi K20 Pro and Oppo Reno Z. First we talk about the RAM and storage. Redmi K20 Pro comes with a 6GB 8GB RAM option and 3 options in storage 64, 128 and 256GB, and other side Oppo Reno Z comes with a 2 option RAM 6GB 8GB and 2 options in storage 128 and 256GB. And next back camera, Redmi K20 Pro comes with a triple rear camera 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 13 megapixel, and Oppo Reno Z comes with a dual rear camera 48 megapixel plus 5 megapixel. And next front camera, Redmi K20 Pro comes with a 20 megapixel front camera and Oppo Reno Z comes with a 32 megapixel front camera. Next we will compare the screen. Redmi K20 Pro comes with a 6.3 inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED screen and Oppo Reno Z comes with a 6.4 inch Full HD Plus AMOLED SDR screen. Next talk about the performance. Redmi K20 Pro comes with a 2.8 GHz octa-core processor and Snapdragon 855 chipset, and other side Oppo Reno Z comes with a 2.2 GHz octa-core processor and MediaTek Helio P90 chipset. Let's give a look on some other specs. Both smartphone comes with a Android 9 OS and both smartphone has a dual SIM option, and Redmi K20 Pro has a Adreno 640 GPU and Oppo Reno Z has a Power BRGM 9446 GPU, and both smartphone comes with a fingerprint sensor on the display. And let's talk about the battery. Redmi K20 Pro comes with a 4000 mAh battery with fast battery charging, and Oppo Reno Z comes with a 4035 mAh normal battery with fast battery charging. And talk about the price, both smartphone has a same expected price 25,000 Indian rupees and 316 US dollar. Thanks guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new videos update.